Hey, Happy New Year, everybody. I thought what might be kind of fun is for us to make tacos. That is my favorite food. So, without further ado, look at this. Got a clapboard. We're going to do making tacos. Scene one, take one, roll one. It's January 4th, 2021. Waffles is the director. Cameraman is me. Goes like this whole clapboard. Okay, making tacos. So, how do we do that? All right, let me show you something. I'm gonna try to do this quick and easy. It's gonna be a very short video compared to the other ones. But let me show you the ingredients first of all, okay? Turn this down. All right, you guys. Of course, I've got tortillas. I've got, this is pepper jack cheese. And I've already grated it up. And I've got avocado. There's my avocado. And I've already cut up some lettuce. And of course, thing of salsa. And then I always put tapatio on. But there's something I do first when I get to the kitchen. Do you guys all remember what it is? I'm gonna wash your hands. So I'm gonna pause it, wash my hands, okay? Pausing right now. All right, I'm back, drying my hands. First thing we're gonna do before we put all of this on our tacos is we're gonna go over and heat up the stove here. Almost said oven. Okay, so we've got the stove over here. I'm gonna use this pan because I'm gonna do my taco shells maybe a little differently than you guys do, but this is how I like my taco shells. All right, so I'm going to turn this on. And I don't turn it on with the pan on. You turn it on because it's gas. And there's the flame, and then I'm going to adjust it a little bit. And I'm going to let that heat up just for a minute. Well, what I'm going to do is I take my taco shells. I love Guerrero. These are my favorite. And I like the white corn. And I'm going to take a little bit of butter. And I'm going to butter. I'm going to butter one side of my taco. So I've got my butter. And I take a taco shell. And I dip it in the butter. And I just spread some butter on here. I never used to do this until I went down to Mexico. And they made tacos for us down there. And I'm like, oh, that is such a good idea. And they were so good. So I'm going to show you. I did 3 of them. So we're going to come over here and we're going to put them on the stove here. And I want to get this warm. So I'm going to put these on and I'm going to put it with the butter side down. See, these are, I've got 3. So I'm going to put the butter side down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I got that down there. Checking my heat. My heat looks good. All right. So, how many of you make tacos with all these toppings? You might have different toppings than I have on yours, or very similar. And again, we have cheese, pepper jack cheese. Just wanted to show you the bag. I already grated it. I've got an avocado, and I've got lettuce, and I've got salsa. And then I also add my tortilla at the end. Now, some of you might use sour cream. I guess I can use sour cream, but you know what I use instead is Chobani yogurt. All right, so I can hear it sizzling a little bit. So I'm just gonna move these around a little bit. If you guys have tacos, how many do you usually eat? I tend to eat 2, sometimes 3. I might make 2 tacos and a quesadilla. So anyway, you can hear it kind of sizzling over here. I've got my spatula. And I'm going to let these brown up a little bit. Here, I'll bring this over. You can actually see it on the stove. Okay, you can see how they're, you can hear the sizzle a little bit. And there are 3 little round tortillas. Maybe I'll put this right here. Watch me flip them. Okay. All right, one thing I like to do is I'll just move them a little bit. I don't want them to stay in one place too long. I'll turn them, and as I see a little steam coming up, I'll turn down my heat just a little bit. And now I'm going to peek underneath and see what's going on. I'll actually flip them over, and it got a little, there's a little bit of brownness on there, so that's good. So I'm going to flip them over because I'm going to heat up the other side, because I'm going to, yep, then they all have a little browning going on. I don't know if you can see that, but they're getting a little brown. I just turned it down a little bit because it's pretty fast to make tacos, I've found. Oh, the last thing I forgot was my meat. Thanks. I also have meat. I just happened to pre-cook it ahead of time. And all right, so now I'm going to flip these back over because that side's nice and warm now. I'm going to add my cheese and my meat to this. All right, so I'm going to put my cheese. I take just a little handful and kind of sprinkle it on. And all 3. So kind of know about how much. I don't use a ton of cheese. So put the cheese on there. I want to kind of get that melted into the taco. This might be something you don't do. And I'm also going to put my meat on here. So I want to get that meat a little bit warmed up. I actually make up my meat and keep it a whole time in the freezer. So I just take out, I freeze up what an amount would be. So I'm going to put, I'm not going to put meat on the third one. I want to keep that as a quesadilla. How about that? There we go. Okay, those are looking good, right, guys? Move that around. I'm gonna just kind of spin these a little bit. Sometimes one side gets a little, I just turn them around. And I'm not using my hands, I'm using this spatula. This has a coating on it, this pan. So you wouldn't want to use a metal one, you want to use this plastic. So you ever noticed how your tortillas shrink up a little bit? All right, I'm gonna check the one that, ooh, it looks good on the bottom. I get them a little bit toasty on the bottom. I like them to be a little crispy on the bottom and they're soft on the top side. Looking good. I'm almost ready to take them off and put them on the plate. We're ready to do some plating. I don't know if you guys watch the cooking shows, but they talk about plating. Plating is when you get the food on your plate to make it look really good. All right, I'm gonna move this over here to get ready for plating. Okay. Like this. See if you can still see me over here. Sorry. All right, bring this over here in just a second. All right, we'll check it one more time. Yeah, it looks really good. All right. I'm going to show you the bottom side of this one. You see how it's kind of toasty? And the other ones look pretty toasty too. Yep, they all look good. So I'm going to turn off the stove. See, it's off. I'm going to bring this over here. I'm going to put them on my plate. Let's see if I can turn it around. You can see me put it on a plate here. Okay, so here's one taco. I'm just gonna put the meat tacos on here for right now because they're the ones that I'm gonna dress up a little bit. The cheese one I'm gonna just leave on the pan. Okay, so this is what I do with my tacos. The next thing I put on is my avocado. I put just a little bit. I probably use more than what I'm using. Maybe that's right. So I put my tacos with my avocado right here. Then the next thing I'm going to put on is, I'm going to do my salsa next. Okay. So I take my scoop and I put a little scoop of salsa on there. The meat I put on there is ground turkey. I forgot I had that in the microwave when I was showing you all the other ingredients. And then I'm going to put on some, I'm going to do a splash of tapatio. Tapatio. I love spicy. I don't know if you guys like tapatio, but I sure do. And then I'm going to put a little bit of lettuce on top. Now we're plating it. That looks pretty, huh? Looks pretty nice. Now, for those of you that would like sour cream, you can substitute. This is plain yogurt. I'll put a little bit of that on top too. I'm having an early dinner, I guess. Put a little bit of that on top. I'm just going to put it on one. I think I'll just eat one. And I'll save the other two for dinner. So there. How fast was that? That was really fast. Well, you want to see me eat the taco?